This is a Renault Megane 1 and the petrol flap is stuck. So you open the boot and you'll see this panel here that this comes off. And this whole panel just slides off like that, and then behind here sits the flat motor. So you just pull away the fabric and there's the motor or the lock, whatever, and there, that little white thingy there, you just give that a pull, and it opens the flap. What happened here was, I think that this connector block here was quite loose, so there you go.